going to show you how to create a video using the Likee app. Okay, so first of all, a couple of pointers. Make sure that you are filming in portrait, which is quite unusual in regards to filming, but with the Likee app you have to film in portrait, so the phone is vertical. A couple of bits of equipment that could be handy. The first one is some lighting. You can get a basic ring light off of the internet. This one was £8.99. Second thing you might want is just an external mic. This is just called a lapel mic, and again I bought it off the internet for £9.99. I've also got another mic which is always attached to my phone when I'm recording. The third item that might be useful is a tripod. My phone is on my tripod, so you can have a look again on the internet. There's loads out there, and I think mine was £15.99, but it's really useful to enable you to be hands-free and to not worry about any movement. Okay, so onto the basic video on how to use the basic tools for filming using the Likee app. Okay, so once you've got your Likee app open, this is the screen that you're faced with. Now, in order to go on to the recording section for the Likee app, you click on this button here. Okay, and up it comes. And what you can do here is you can go to time and you can set the duration for your videos. Now, I like to keep mine on 60 because that covers all durations then. And you can also have a countdown, and again I like to have a countdown of 5 seconds just to give me time to get into position and get ready. Okay, so once you're on this screen and you've set up your time, you then just click on the red button. The countdown comes. Hi, I'm creating a YouTube video. This video is titled How to Record a Video Using the Likee app. So once you've recorded your first piece, you'll see that a yellow bar has appeared at the top of your screen. So that's how much you've recorded so far. And the total bar, because I set my duration to 60 seconds, is 60 seconds. Now what you can do now is you can choose to delete that section by clicking on the cross, and it'll take you back. I'm not going to do that because I'm happy with that. So I'm going to add a bit more now, and then obviously to add a bit more you're just going to click on the record button again, and that will create the next section of the video. Couple of top tips before you get started. Number one, make sure that you have got good lighting because your viewers want to see you. Number two, make sure that you can be heard. Most phones have a really good microphone now, so you should be okay, but you can purchase an external lavalier or lapel mic which can help with your audio. Okay, so that was the second bit. It goes blurry like that, you just have to get used to that. So I can now either get rid of that bit, which will just delete that section that you've just recorded, or I could record some more, or if I'm happy with that, I can just go with that now. And as this is just the beginner's guide to using this app, I'm going to select yes, I'm happy with that. Hi, I'm creating a YouTube video. This video is titled How... Okay, so there you go, it shows you what you've done so far. Right, so now you can add some bits and pieces to your video. Now, the one thing that I would always suggest doing is this one here, which is the cover title. I think that without a cover title, when people are scanning through all the videos that there are to watch, they don't know what yours is about, so they might just flick through it. So I would always choose a good picture from what you've done and add in the text. a nice title. Okay, and you can do various things with that. You can change the backgrounds. There's absolutely loads of different options. So just choose anything that appeals to you. But definitely having a cover title will help your viewers know exactly what you're creating. Okay, so the next thing that you can do is you can add some music. That's entirely up to you. I like to add a little background music, so I might just put mellow. So you can just go through those and choose various ones. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to apply that one, and there it is. Okay, so what we need to do now is, as you can tell, the music is obviously too loud, so we need to change the volume of those. So if you just click on volume there, as I did, that one there, and you can set the background music to a much lower and the volume to much higher. Let's try that. Okay, that's better. Still needs to be lower. I'm going to go for number 2. Okay, so we've put a title cover on and we've put a bit of music on. You can also do all sorts of things down here, which I'll go into in another video. And you've got a filter there. I like to keep it natural and just have it on original. The other thing that is a really good tool for your viewers is to use subtitles. So I tend to try and use subtitles on most of mine, and I don't necessarily subtitle the whole thing, but just maybe the key points. So I had some top tips and they were good lighting and good sound. And you can again do what you want with that. You can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the colour if you want. And there you go, really, that's it. If you move along this bar now, you can add another subtitle. There we go. Again, you know, you can play around with it and choose different colours, whatever you want. And there we go, you just click on the tick again. Okay, so this one perhaps, you know, is not quite in the right place, so I'm going to just alter that by clicking on subtitles again, finding the subtitle. Perhaps it would be better down here. Top tips, good lighting and good sound. And then let me check my other one, which was there. Again, maybe down here would be best. I'm going to keep it square now, I think. Okay, so this was for just creating a basic video using the Likee app. I've put a cover title on and I've put some subtitles and I've used some music. There are lots of other things that you can do with the effect, the touch magic and the time magic, and I'm going to have a go at that one in the next video. So we're happy there with our video, so I'm going to click on next. There you can see we've got our title and our cover picture, and what you also do here is to add a description and use some suitable hashtags. So I might have how to create video, my hashtags. What you can do is you can save that to your drafts, or you can post it straight away. So what you can do is you can create a video and save it to your drafts and then edit it later. That's the best thing to do. So you've got your video created, put it in your drafts, and then when you're ready to post it, you can start adding the effects. Okay, so I hope that that has all been really useful. I am hoping to make another video, perhaps going into a bit more detail about the effects that you can put on. But I know that when I was first starting out, I found it all quite confusing, so hopefully it's helped. Let me know if it has. Cheers!